Hi guys, so in this video we are going to talk about two things. So we'll try to cover, otherwise we'll cover in the next video as well. So the first thing is property is first one is has one property, second is property is enumerable. So let's start without delaying our time. So like these are the instance properties. What does I mean? So this comes under the prototype. So in Firefox, if you type object, you will see here these are the methods. So if you go here, so what was that? That was sorry for that. So what was the method name? Has one property and property is enumerable. So if you see if you try to find it here, so you will not find it. But if you expand it little bit, this one, you'll find has one property and property is enumerable. So this will be accessed when like an object will create an instance of it. You can also access it from here. I'm not saying like you cannot access has one property, but this will not be useful at all. So instead of accessing this object's property, we need to access it on an instance. Okay. So has one property is like if you want to test. So let's say we have an object here and we just want to test has one property name. This is true. So since this properties exist on OBJ, so if I try to find out name one, it wants, so means this property is not available. So in next video we are going to talk about object dot is enumerable, property is enumerable. So for now, thank you for watching, have a nice day.